If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Baldur's Gate 3, you can follow these steps to disable the timeout feature. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Open the game settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the main menu. From there, look for the Options or Settings menu to access the game configuration. Step 2. Locate Network Settings. Within the Settings menu, find the section labeled Network or Online. This is where you can manage your online gameplay preferences and server settings. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. In the network settings, look for an option related to server timeout or connection timeout. This may be labeled as server timeout or similar. Change the setting to disable or extend the timeout duration. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu to confirm your adjustments. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure that the new settings take effect, exit the game completely and then restart it. This will refresh your connection and apply the changes you made. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the server timeout in Baldur's Gate 3, allowing for a more stable online experience. Enjoy your adventures in the game.